In this video, we will be covering how to apply promo code which you may get from an Atlassian marketplace partner such as ourselves at Move Work Forward. So let's go to our promotion center. The promo code you receive must match the same billing cycle. So for a monthly billing cycle, it must be a monthly promo code, and for an annual billing cycle, an annual promo code. So now let's click on Apply Promotion Code, and we will enter our promo code and click Check. As we can see, we're getting an error as the promo code is valid for monthly billing cycles. However, we are on an annual billing cycle subscription. This is why we have to ensure the promo code we receive matches the same billing cycle as our instance. Now let's jump into an instance with a monthly billing cycle and we'll follow the same steps again. We'll enter our promo code and we'll click on Check. As we can see, now that it's valid, we can apply the promo code and see the savings achieved by applying the promo code. In this example, it was a 100% discount. However, promo codes can cover a set percentage removed from the overall cost of your user tier. And that's it. A simple and straightforward example of how to apply promo codes to your Atlassian product. Thanks.